Okay, boys and girls, we're going to go to market on the DAX. Let me flick that over. We're about to put an order in on this, which will be above that candle here. And then I'll explain what it is that I am doing. Just drop that in. 14 pips. Bang. Right. So that's in play. What we are going to do is we're going to put it on for about 15 pips to there. And let me explain. So I'll tell you where the trade's coming from, but why I'm doing it. Well, first of all, I always tell the guys what I'm doing before I go to market. I think that's the fairest thing to do. So here, we are buying it. 14 pips. It's not a full day trade. It's a C trade, so I'm going to be very ruthless with the target. Also in the tracker, there's a breakdown here explaining exactly what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. And it comes because yesterday I was at the cinema when Bubbles, there he is here, was looking at the US 100, but I went to see The Naked Gun. And it was good. I really enjoyed it. Did you enjoy The Naked Gun?
Yeah, it was actually good.
Yeah. I enjoyed it when Pamela Anderson got naked. No, hang on, we're on about a different film here,
I was
aren't
going
we?
to say, I didn't say
She enjoyed it when Liam Nielsen did. She likes him, you know. She
He
does.
didn't go naked, eh?
Yeah.
Nobody went naked.
They were in the hot tub and they murdered the snowman.
Yeah, but they had swimmers on.
Nah, they didn't. Not in my head. Right, anyway. So what he said was he was going to look at the DAX, and I always feel compelled to help. So here we are. So I've done the breakdown video for him. This, that, and the t'other. And now we're trading it. The kicker here is it's quite a quick trade. It's share after 9. You can't run at this and sort of hold your targets indefinitely. If it's a mixed bag, which it is, you need to get in and get out relatively quick. So I want to be out before this red line. But let's break this trade down and see where it comes from. So if you drop out to the hourly, what you'll see is you've got this massive run here. Okay. Now if I drop in this fib, just like so, what we now start to see is a trading arena that I can work in, which is going to be from that line here to that line there. So that's what it's currently working. It's working this section of the chart. Okay. Now, what we can also see is there's a big plateau here, a cluster point. So if I drop this into 15 minutes and I move over to see where that thing is, okay, there's our entry point, and the bottom side of that plateau is where the target is, along these candles here, okay? So it works it out quite well, and the sheet that I use figures that out, okay? It's based on its daily ATR, and if you look at the daily, well, you can see why it would be buying. There is a bit of a flat spot here where it's in a range, but it's kind of pushing up. Well, if it's in a range and it's coming from the bottom, it'll naturally go to the top. But because we've got barriers in its way, this red line, that's where I want to be. There's quite a bit of indecision. This could easily pull down and check against this entire move, which if it did, well, it could get a bit hairy, but if you've got an account big enough to take it, it's not really a problem. And I trade small in relation to the size of the account. And that way, I can ride the noise if I need to, but I also know I can do the one thing that I always ask myself, can I afford it? Well, yeah, this cost me a few hundred quid, But my edge is that I do all my homework first and my ducks are in a row before I press the button. And then when I'm paid, I'm gone. It's that simple. There you go. 77 quid. And that was done in Oh, 5 minutes, if that. So I'll get myself into a habit. No tickets. And then there you go, 77 quid. And that's what you saw me do yesterday as well. So this job is not difficult. It's not difficult at all if you plan it. The problem is, and I get this over and over again, you know, you make it look easy. It is easy if you know what you're looking for. It's like any other profession. You know, if you're a bricklayer, you'll make it look a doddle. Nice flat straight lines, everything's even, your mortar's perfect. But could I do it? No, I can't. I can't lay a brick to save my life. And it's like a car mechanic. They would know how to strip an engine, they could look at an engine, and they could probably hear what was wrong with it. I couldn't. I'm lucky if I know where you put the petrol in, which is a good indictment because I've got a diesel freaking car. You laughing at?
You might have said that.
No, you didn't say it. You fucking did it.
Mine is petrol, that's why.
Crazy cow. She is, you know. But I made her happy and she's going on holiday soon, so I'm happy. But there you go, Bubbles. Job's done for you. I can't make trading any easier. But what you got to remember is I can give you everything, but I can't give you experience. And the one thing I can't also give you is your own mindset. You know, I can wrap your knuckles in one thing and another. And you know I have a big thing about gamblers. That's the problem with this industry. People just go at the chart, go at the chart, go at the chart. And then they cry when they lose. Whereas if they'd gone at the chart, won and walked away, they'd be happy. Food for thought. Anyway, see you all in the next one.